That's to be expected. That's a part of the white supremacist technique. They will sometimes single out many black people. Actually, if you take the worldwide situation, by the thousands, probably into the millions, each and every day, on certain occasions, certain black people will be singled out and say, now this black person will be treated like an ordinary white person for the next 3 weeks or for the next 2 years because they are on special assignment under the system of white supremacy, because it's all under the system of white supremacy. So we are going to single out this particular black person, non-white person, or this particular group of non-white persons that maybe for the next 3 or 4 years they're going to be treated royally, okay? Because it's what? It's good for business. It's good for business of white supremacy. See, they incorporate that all in their scheme. And they do that with certain tribes even. Sometimes they'll just adopt a tribe and say, now this tribe for the next 5 years is going to be treated royally because we are scheduling this tribe to help us to take advantage of all the other tribes and reposition ourselves. But we do need this tribe of people in this particular place at this particular time to be most representative of our ideals and what we want done during this period of time. And then as soon as that project is over, we're going to throw them back under the bus.